Whether you're an electrician, hobbyist, engineer, or simply curious about how circuits work, there's one tool almost everyone uses: the multimeter. It's the Swiss Army knife of electrical measurement tools. Volts, amps, ohms, continuity, and more. Today we'll dive into where it came from, how it evolved, and how you use it safely and effectively. The roots of the multimeter begin with the galvanometer in the early 1800s, a device that measured current by deflecting a pointer. Fast forward to 1920. A British post office engineer named Donald Macady grew tired of carrying separate tools for volts, amps, and ohms, and so invented the first true multimeter called the AVO meter. Over the decades, the tool evolved, from bulky analog instruments to meters that added AC measurements in the 1930s, through to the first handheld digital multimeters of the 1970s. By today, digital multimeters integrate dozens of functions: auto-ranging, data logging, and even Bluetooth connectivity. So, what can a multimeter measure? Here are the core functions: voltage, DC and AC, checking batteries, power supplies, wall outlets; current, amps per milliamps, measuring how much current flows through a circuit; resistance, ohms, checking resistors; continuity, or whether a component conducts; continuity, a simple go-no-go test that uses sound or light to tell if a circuit is complete. More advanced meters can measure capacitance, frequency, temperature, transistor gain, and more. Using the meter involves setting the proper range or mode, connecting the probes correctly, black to COM, red to VA omega, and interpreting the reading carefully. Safety and accuracy matter. Here are some key tips. Always connect the black lead to the COM socket, the red lead to the correct measurement socket. Select the correct measurement mode and range before touching the circuit. If you're not sure, start high and go lower. Be aware of the meter's category rating, CAT I to IV, per standard, IEC 61010. This tells you what type of circuits it's safe for. When measuring current, never put the meter in voltage mode, or you risk short-circuiting the circuit. Inspect test leads. Ensure the meter fuse is intact. Many accidents come from a blown fuse or reversed leads. For AC measurements, especially non-Cine waveforms, ensure your meter is a true RMS meter if accuracy matters. In the modern world, the multimeter is everywhere. Electricians use it for mains wiring, technicians use it for automotive and HVAC diagnostics, hobbyists use it for electronics projects, and renewable energy installers use it for solar panels and inverters. It remains essential because it gives real numbers, not just pass-fail, and helps you understand what's happening in a system. Its evolution, from analog dial to auto-ranging, multifunction digital devices, means you get more capability in less hand space, with more accuracy and safety protection. So that's the story of the multimeter, from humble beginnings in the 1820s galvanometer to the 1920s aviometer, through to the high-tech digital meters we use today. Whether you're checking a wire, testing a circuit, or troubleshooting a device, the multimeter remains a fundamental tool to see the invisible world of electricity. Pick one up, learn its functions, respect its limits, and you'll always have the right tool in hand. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more tech and tool deep dives.